Hello everyone, and a special thank you to Jesus in Miami, Florida. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the hardest working optician in the industry. My name is Seymour Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm either seeing Mo Better, looking Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Jesus's Ray-Ban 2132 new Wayfarer size 52 color 901, which is the classic shiny black. Now he is getting, this is a lens you haven't seen before. It is the Drive Safe lens from Zeiss. I have the prescriptions highlighted for the right and the left, highlighted the DuraVision Drive Safe anti-glare coating. Now, of course, you can get all the manufacturer's original packaging from Ray-Ban, the box, the Italian leather case, the cleaning cloth with junk mail, because you just don't get enough in your mailbox now, the original demo lenses. Of course, as I showed you, the original packaging from Zeiss that comes with the lenses, the Zeiss cleaning cloth, and my premium microfiber cleaning cloth. But again, this is the star of the show. This is the frame that got me started selling online. I wore this for years as my everyday pair of glasses, and I wore it in multiple colors. But the Drive Safe lens, what Jesus has requested, he had LASIK years ago, I believe, if I'm getting my story straight. But these are unique lenses where they're a little bit different than most of the digital high definition lenses. A lot of the millennials or people under 40 are getting the boost lenses, which gives you that extra boost at the bottom of the lens when you're looking at a digital device such as cell phone or tablet or computer screen. This has the boost in the middle of the lens. So that's the reason it's called the Drive Safe. You're looking straight ahead, you look down at your dashboard through the mid-range part of the lens, and that's where it gets the boost. It gives you a wider field so you can check your left and right mirror as well as your rear view mirror. While looking back, it has its own proprietary anti-glare coating, which is the Drive Safe anti-glare. It is similar in nature to the DuraVision Platinum, but it's designed for reducing that much more glare when driving at night. It's just steady flow from your eyes down to the dashboard, to either mirror, to the rear view, and then looking back straight ahead. This is available in single vision and progressive. Currently, I have in single vision, it sells for $199 with the anti-glare coating. You can only get it with the anti-glare coating attached. That's what makes it such a proprietary concept. And again, it's $199 with the purchase of any frame, and I can do them in progressives. I do not believe there's one in the line style because those are not digital lenses, but I can do it in single vision and progressives, and I'll get a price. You know, hit me up in an email if you need a price for progressives until we get those on the website. But again, I'll even have a link in the description below for you if you want to go to the Zeiss website to read more about the Drive Safe lenses. I'll even have a link in the description above at the end of the video. But Jesus, thank you so much for the purchase of this frame. If anyone else has any questions, go to the Contact Me page of the website. You can get a live person, Jigsaw, who's the hardest working jigsaw piece in the puzzle, at 919-491-2411. And you can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. But again, Jesus, thank you so much for the purchase of the Ray-Ban 2132 new Wayfarer color 901, and this frame comes in 3 sizes, 52, 55, and 58, and comes in about 1 million colors. Actually, I think it's 1,000,004 now. They've added 4 new colors. But again, thanks for the purchase of the frame with your Zeiss Drive Safe lenses with your Drive Safe anti-glare. And click on the link above for the frame. Click on the link below that or somewhere else for the Drive Safe lenses, or maybe that's above too. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.